All right, guys. We're back at the Conisty Nature Preserves. Me and Jason with our Pit Viper glasses on. Check them things out. They're awesome. Thank you, Pit Vipers, for supplying those for us. As you see, we're at we're going to go to the Reedy River Bridge. A nice little trail we'll run. You want to go first? Nope. All right. I'll get moving then. I got my tether on for the first time. After Bald Rock, I wanted to make sure that my Sherman was going to be safe and I wasn't going to lose it, especially on this Congaree trail, because we end up going into some areas on some bridges without sides on it and water down below. This nature preserve is well-kept secret here in South Carolina. It's a beautiful place, right on the river, and then they have a lake around the backside that we'll circumvent here in a little bit. But we're coming up on the wooden walk bridge, which is really neat. Now come on, we'll wait for you. How you guys doing today? Thank you very much. Best kept gym in South Carolina, this little Conisty Park, isn't it? They're electric unicycles, 150-mile range. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How you guys doing today? Enjoying this beautiful day. All right. Oh, they're awesome. You got to try them. There's 150-mile range, 50 miles an hour, if you want to go that fast. Yeah. You guys enjoy your day? Oh, they're awesome. All right, so this is the sideless walk bridge here in Conisty. It's beautiful. Best kept gym. I just got to say that. This is the most beautiful place I've found anywhere around. Look at the river over there. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, this is awesome. Check that out. Whoa. These are some really neat little bridges here. Conisty, South Carolina, with Ed and Jason. Jason's doing a great job back there. Awesome. So we're headed to the bridge that crosses over the river. Oh, is it the Reedy River? Oh, I thought it was the Conisty River, but it's the Reedy River. It's so nice. The temperature is just beautiful out here today. Little rocky, little loose rocks here. Check this out. All right. Sparkleberry, where we are. This is an amazing bridge. This is such an amazing place. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that so cool? Awesome. Beautiful, beautiful area. And that was from the trailhead to the bridge. How you guys doing today? Awesome. All right. Peace out, guys.